Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a motion path animation in Canva. So path animation is essentially the kind of animation that you can create yourself in Canva. And it is very simple. For example, I could make this image to move from here to the right and this image move to the left. It is very simple and here's how you can do it. But first, let me change the picture a little bit. Okay, I need to change the picture and okay, there you go. So here's how you can move the picture or how you can create motion path animation. First, you have to click on the object. It could be a picture, it could be a text box or a shape or a graphic vector or pretty much anything. And after that, you want to click animate. And on the custom section, click create an animation. Now, here's the most difficult part. So you have to draw your own animation with the cursor. So I want to put this image from here to the right. And that's why I'm going to click and then drag it to the right. And I just created an animation. But you might have noticed this is not a perfect straight line. And I don't want that. I want to create a perfect line. So I have to delete the path first. Now I'm going to do it again, but this time around, I'm going to press and hold the shift key on the keyboard. And then I'm going to click and then drag this image to the right. So it will create a straight line. I think it's way better than the previous line that I just created. So now we just created the animation. It's time to modify it. On the movement styles, I personally prefer smooth because smooth is essentially speeding up at the beginning and it will slow down at the end. I think it will make the animation smoother. Steady is when you create, basically it will unify at the speed. So it doesn't matter whether when you're drawing it, you got it too fast or too slow. This mode will ensure that everything will move steadily. But again, I prefer using the smooth method. And then there's an option to change the speed. So I think I'm gonna be using the default state. I think it looks perfect. And of course, there is an option for add-on. So this is the animation that you can combine with your custom path. You could make the image rotate, wiggle, or flick, or pulse. Personally, I don't want to apply that. So I just want to have a simple moving animation like this one. So I just created an animation for this picture. Let's do the same for this picture. Click on the image and click animate. Click create animation and I'm going to press and hold the shift key on the keyboard. Click on this image, drag it to the left. And there you go. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to change the movement style to smooth and there you go. So except this, I actually has to remove that. Okay, so let's preview the result. I forgot how to do that. Okay, so that was the result. Then we can do it again. Okay, that looks really good. So that's exactly how you can create motion path animations in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful and I'll see you on the next video.